Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to silence or turn off spam callers on your iPhone so you don't get a notification or pop-up or any kind of messages on your phone. So to do this, let's go to Settings and then back out. And we are looking for phones under this list. It's about halfway down. You'll see messages, voice memos, and then finally phone right here in the middle. Tap this and scroll on down. And we are looking for a couple different options. So go to silence unknown callers and you can go to this. It says incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and serious suggestions, but calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. So turn this on. I like that just for that reason. Then we can go to call blocking and identification. It says business call identification on, displayed verified caller information identified by Apple business contact or T-Mobile. Then we have silence junk callers. Turn this on. Calls identified by T-Mobile as potential spam or fraud will be silenced, automatically sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. So you'll still know that they called by going to the recent list, but you won't get any kind of like notification other than that. So your contacts will still ring like normal, but spam callers, you won't know that they called. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech reviews coming up next on Your Six Tech.